Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how to join strings using any delimiter like comma separated or any colon separated using streams and collectors class. Okay, so I am using my old test data like cars and the list. So first I need to get the list. First I need to get the strings. Okay, so for that I will be taking a make which are from 2023. Okay, so for that I'm converting the cars into stream, and then I'm filtering the cars whose make here is 2023. Get here is equal to 2023, and then I am getting a make. So for that we need to use a map car.getMake, car colon getMake, and then let's collect this into using collect, and then in the collectors class we are having a joining method. Okay, so there are multiple versions of joining method, so if you don't provide any string inside joining, then it will concatenate all the strings without any delimiter. So if you see here, if you run the program, see it's printed it's concatenated everything, so without any delimiter. So Ford, Mercedes, Benz and Kia. Okay, so if you wanted to separate using a comma, concatenate using a comma, then you can pass a comma as a string in a joining method. So if you pass that and run the program again, then the strings are separated by commas and concatenated it. Okay, if you want any other also, you can pass like colon, double colon or something like that. Then if you run, see, these are separated using double colons. Okay, so in this way you can use a joining method to separate the strings, to join the strings using any delimiter. Thank you.